always sus. Get the pump, that's a must. I don't trust. Oh cool, okay, oh cool. In Tokyo.
Okay, sorry, but this is gonna be last. We first want to get through the kind of okay stuff. We got the Beyblade Burst. It comes with the recolor of Victory Valtryek and Odex 02 or whatever, and then 3 extra drivers. I just want to break into this thing. We're just gonna eat the box at the corner. Now I have a knife. Alrighty. I'm gonna try to fix my camera a little bit. Okay, sorry. Sorry that I keep stopping and going. There was something that happened. I want to get through Odax first, so let's get his metal. Let's get his driver. There we go. His driver. I actually really love this driver. I might use this for a lot of combos. Sorry, once again, I'm very, very sorry. Here's a paper that's in the box. Yeah, this sound is a rip. Back to the Beyblade. Like I said, the driver is a good attack driver, so I may use that a lot. It's not the best, but it's good. It's good. Alright, here he is. Oh, yeah, here's code. Scan it if you don't have it. There he is. Let me get the drivers out, the extra nonsense. I wonder, hold on, I don't even think I gave you one. There goes one. There goes two. There goes three. So those are the 3 drivers they give you. This is like the Spriggan driver. This is I forget what this one's called. I don't know none of the names for the drivers. This is the kind of the Excalius driver. Now let's get Victory Valtryek out of here. Yeah. There we go. That over there. Oh yeah, by the way, the GT customized set, I don't have a lot of GT Beyblades, so I'm trying to get a bunch of them. I'm trying to catch up with everybody, because I don't... Well, nice teeth. Well, not teeth, but nice slopes. Tight slopes. Here's the code if you don't have it. But yeah, I know, as everyone knows, I recently posted a video of me unboxing a Beyblade Burst GT Bay, which was a Bushin Asura, but I don't have him no more because I traded him, but I am gonna buy a new one. But these are the Beyblades. But I am gonna buy a new one, so yeah. I won't unbox it though if I buy a new one. I'm not, because I already unboxed it. So there's really no point of doing it. Alright, this is my Hasbro Victory Valtryek. I actually like the red one better, because the red one kind of has more stickers, and it's really glowy. And as you know, mine is used. This one's brand new. The one, I don't have the original color unless this is the original color scheme. I have no idea. So let's move to the side and get this one out of here. Beyblade Burst Evolution, Anubius. Paper, cheap lawn cord, that over. I'm just mainly worried about the Beyblade. There's a Nubius, a driver, and then the launch cord. I don't care about that. Yeah. Alright, here, scan the code, pause the video. The driver looks funky. Oh, the driver looks funky. It's like a ball. There we go. There's a Nubius. Now, for the big event. The video pauses automatically now. They stop. Alright, let me get the paper out. Hold on. First, let me open it from here. And I'm gonna just cut myself being stupid. Okay. Oh, sorry I cut off. There's the code right there. So yeah, this is, wow. This is, oh my gosh, I want to catch this on video. There's a bug. Oh my gosh. That is disgusting. Yeah, I will be contacting the seller. What the hell is that, yo? Can anybody tell me what that is that I just killed? Oh, it's giving this awful wrench. I don't know what I just killed, but I'm gonna be talking to the seller. I don't know what the hell that was, but it's giving this awful wrench. For sure, I'm gonna talk to the seller to improve with that. That is... Alright, I had to cut the video. As you saw, I killed a bug. I cut the video because I by accidentally showed the code. So let's get to the Beyblades. That was awfully disgusting. I'm gonna talk to the seller. But I got these for a cheap price, but that's just disgusting. Sorry that I paused the video. Yeah, if you know what that bug was, please tell me, because that was awfully just disgusting. And it's giving an awful scent. Oh my gosh, that was disgusting, man. I'm gonna wash my hands after this. Hopefully it's not some poisonous gas bug. If that is, then I'm dead. Oh, I have to get some freaking spray in here. Alright, here comes a race Fafnir, something like that. Trying to get the Beyblade out. What in the world? There we go. That's the GT, then that's the Genuine, that's Fafnir. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna tell y'all who the seller is. Don't give him any hate. But I'm just gonna tell y'all just to not buy from him. I got this for a cheap price, so I kind of didn't care. But still, wherever the hell that was, I don't know what the hell that was. That's sure not in America. I know it's not in America. Finally got Sting. I always wanted Sting. Yeah, because I never seen that bug before. And I don't know if it's supposed to give an awful wrench like that. Or if it's poisonous or something. I have no idea. I like the cover scheme. Oh, wow. Nice teeth. I like Sting because it does this. And it just moves around. Then when you just... I don't know. I'm just weird. Later, I'm just going to grab some to spray in here. Now we have this. I always wanted this layer. I heard this layer was really good. Alright, open this. Now I'm getting really dizzy, yo. Damn. Alright, here's the metal. And here it is. Nice teeth. It might be just this that stinks. I'm not 100% sure. Oh yeah, and then there's the stickers that I put on. Oh no, they all got stickers. Damn. I'm gonna have to look at the box of which ones have stickers and which ones don't. The only reason why I got this cheap one was because, first of all, it was brand new in the box. So I wasn't arguing with the price like that. And he sent me an offer through eBay. So, you know. Oh, I was like, what is that? But that's just my brother being, I mean, not my dad being, my dad playing some video. Alright. Prime Apocalypse and Regalia Genesis. They both have, I have both Beyblade Burst, Rise versions. The infinite lock mechanism. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you can't take out his Genware, none of that infinite lock stuff. And then they gave him sword. You know, I like that they gave him that because it reminded us of Excalius, RIP, because they never brought you back. And you see 360 locks. How do you lock this in, man? I'm gonna see how to put this thing in, yo. How do you put this on? Okay. And there we go. Oh, what in the hell? I'm gonna just keep circling it until it just doesn't burst on me. What the hell? Oh, this is so weird. What up? Alright. I'm sorry. I'm back. Still trying to figure out how this works. Oh, I think I did it. Oh, nice. Okay. Even though I still gotta put on the stickers on it. The electrical driver. And then... Oh. What is this tool for again? I'm super sorry that I'm going in and out. I'm probably gonna have to go out like 2 minutes from now. It's cause I'm helping my dad with some stuff and all that. And my dad sells action figures and all that, so I kinda sort of was helping him to look for stuff, and my brother went out. And I'm probably gonna have to help him bringing back his car. So yeah, I'm super sorry for everybody who's watching it. I'm sorry for me future editing me just to freaking edit this video. Okay, I gotta find out how to activate this. So what is it? See, I can't read Japanese. So what am I supposed to, can I just... Then what is this tool for? I have no idea what this is for, but I feel such as I should save it. Oh, it is important. That takes out the batteries. Okay, yeah. Does this come off? Oh, this metal does not come off. There we go. Let me see this goes on the spoken launcher. It does, believe it or not. That's super weird, yo. I don't know why I find it trippy and weird, but it's weird. I'm gonna have to stop the video to put on stickers. Oof. Save the paper. Stickers. Okay. Sorry, guys. I'm feeling so sorry, but thank you for watching the video, getting this out of far without getting annoyed of it stopping and going. But I'm gonna stop it real quick, put on stickers. Alrighty, I put on all the stickers. This one I got a little lazy on it, I don't know if you can tell. This one's only got driver stickers. This one's really easy, so you know I put them on correctly. This one is a little difficult, but it's just small stickers, like one right here and not the corners. I got my gram winner. camera. Turn on the gram meter. Alright. First one is you know what? Let's put Prime Apocalypse first. Alright, so my bad. 60.63 grams. Wow, heavy boy. Regalia Genesis. 65 grams. A little heavier than Prime Apocalypse. Erase Fafnir. 59.91 grams. And Apocalypse, not Apocalypse. I forget the name. 55.11 grams. Alright, let's move on to some battles. Alright, let me lower down my camera. You know what? I like this new tripod because I can extend it and lower it. I'm actually putting it a little lower, so if you guys are falling, it's because I'm lowering it right now. Oh, there goes my camera. That's nice, not really, but I'm gonna clip these to lock them in. There we go. Let's get your ordinary Beyblade Burst Arena. Let me lower this down. Okay, I think that's good. You can see that pocket. Alright, let's try the new base that we got. Let's start with the small Beyblade Burst base. So, like Anubius and Victory Voucher. Let's put in Anubius first. Get doing gold. Alright, that was Anubius. Let's try Odox. Get doing gold. Nice. Victory Voucher. Let's do a rush launch. They're doing good. Yeah, rush launch. Alright, let's do some battles with these three. I'll put in Kirbyus. Oh. They're doing good. Not Anubius, I mean Kerbex. Why did I say Anubius? I meant Kerbex. Alrighty. Let's put in one of the plastic bays. 3, 2, 1, go. And we're putting in Odox. 3, 2, 1, go. Stadium out by Odox. Let's get another plastic Beyblade. So let's put in Anubius first since he's got a little bit more stamina. 3, 2, 1, go. Burst finish. I'm surprised he bursted. I'm surprised that the plastic Beyblade didn't burst. Those are usually the ones that always burst for some reason. Alright, well, enough of them. I know everyone's here for the GT Beyblades. So, let's get to the GT bays. Let me put my camera somewhere over here. I think that's fine. You can see the 2 buckets. Alrighty. We're gonna try the non-important bays, so these. Let me grab my left spinning launchers. Alright, so let me launch a race Fafnir. It's on go. And a race just spins like your ordinary left spinning bay. There we go. Okay. I'm gonna rip him in there. Wait, don't tell me he's a left spinning. He might be a left spinning actually. Yeah, I think it is. No, he's a right spinning. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. My only like GT Beyblades are Judgment Joker and then this random Beyblade that you get from these are my only ones. So yeah, I don't have Bushin Ashura anymore. Let me get the 2 Takara and the Hasbro version. So these are the Hasbro versions. Yeah. And then here are the Takara Tomy versions. Big difference. And these two don't have infinite lock mechanism. They just burst automatically. Alright, time to try these babies out. I'm gonna turn him on. That did not sound right, but alright, it's on now. It's breaking. 3, 2, 1, go. What just happened? I don't want to break my driver already. Alright, might be fine now. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! There we go. And he's out of stadium. Alright, let's try it again. 3, 2, 1, go. You sorta kinda saw how it works, just without the Beyblade layer. I wish the Beyblade layer would stay. Let me try it one more time. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. I like it. Now let me do a light launch. Because I heard if you do a light launch, it still works. So 3, 2, 1, go. Maybe not that light launch. Three, 2, 1, go. Shit! There we go. That's more of a light one. Is that gonna turn on? Well. Oh. Well, let me turn them off for now. There we go. Now let's try them. Climb up the leaps. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, shit! Alright, now we get it. So now we're just gonna use a bunch of GT Beyblades. Let's use the main two, Regalia, Genesis, and he's on. Alright. 3, 2, 1, go. Burst finished by I don't know why I forgot his name. By what's his name? Apocalypse. Prime Apocalypse. That was actually a really good one. Alright, let's put him back in here. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Go shoot! Oh, Regalia Genesis. Alright. Arching back in there. Oh. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! You thought that was the only stadium we were using, huh? We had to use the traditional stadium. The vertical drop stadium. We have to use it. It's in the anime. Alright, it's good. 3, 2, 1, go. See, I like this stand because I can actually launch really hard. I just want to check the stadium's good. Alright, let's keep going. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. First finished by Prime Apocalypse. I see what they're trying to do. They're trying to ride the rails, but I don't think they can ride him. I was hoping that they could. There we go. Alright, let's use Judgment Joker versus Prime Apocalypse. 3, 2, 1, go. Restart because my Beyblade's acting stupid. My Beyblade and my launcher. 3, 2, 1, go. I can't tell if Prime Apocalypse fought first or Judgment Joker just bursted first. Redo on that. Alright, redo. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, Judgment Joker for the win. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Prime Apocalypse had to do him like that dirty, yo. 3, 2, 1, go. Judgment Joker just killed himself. That's nice. Alright, now let's use Regalia Genesis. Let me turn on his driver with Judgment Joker. Alright, there we go, it's on. 3, 2, 1, go. Judgment Joker lost. I'm pretty sure I wasn't paying attention actually. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, they're riding the rails. Alright. I love this battle action. 3, 2, 1, go. It's sort of kind of like in the anime how they've battled. Alright. Let's show some love to these guys. 3, 2, 1, go. Oops. Stay on, man. There we go. Okay, restart. 3, 2, 1, go. I kind of knew Regalia Genesis was already gonna win, because if you saw, he's like, I kind of already knew, and you could already see if you were paying attention. Alright. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, Alright. Prime Apocalypse versus Fafnir. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh. Oh snap, Prime Apocalypse rolled the rails. Well, this, John. But this dude, he stopped and then he started respinning again. That's trippy. Alright. 3, 2, 1, go. I'm gonna have to give that to Apocalypse. Even I saw that. Alright, do one last battle with this dude. Well, not the last battle. The third to the last battle with, Naked Diabolos. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was a horrible launch. Or relaunch. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, the last battle now is with your Hasbro base. So let's use Prime. Prime Apocalypse first. 3, 2, 1, go. Hasbro Prime Apocalypse versus Horrible. I don't have COVID. I'm just coughing because I choked on my spit. Don't ask how that happened. Oh my gosh. Alright, time to turn on Regalia Genesis. Alright, there we go. 3, 2, 1, go. You saw it here, folks. Regalia Genesis just bursted by himself. You didn't watch it from BBG. Don't tell your friends you saw it from BBG. You saw it from Storm Valkyrie. I don't know how long my video was paused. Hopefully not too long. I'll check it out though. Well, this is gonna be the last battle. Three, 2, 1, go. Oh, the restart on that. Restart. Hold up. I don't even know what's happening. 3, 2, 1, go. Restart. Come on, man. Make some contact. There's no contact. They just start going rapid. 3, 2, 1, go. You know what's something that you can thank Regalia Genesis for? You can thank Regalia Genesis because, whatchamacallit, his bay bursts by himself too much. And he hits his lair, his bay. You can say he's another dark, Revive Phoenix. 3, 2, 1, go. Hasbro Regalia Genesis bursted. That's everything. Prime Apocalypse on. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
That boy sus. Get the punt, that's a